we're here for Nani or for an incumbent for this opportunity. I think, sir, I know, senior, no. One thing I was saying in United States, we are one people with a common destiny. Religious belief, just one aspect of it, a bit 2 years. And so, no, before ye cremonino, before ye, mema, inina, mema, makuma for 5, or more, mame, akani. Osha busian for no, so ono, one, ye, Muslim, abusian for no. Those on one busian, mano, or more busian, half ya can for more Christians. Half ya can for more Christians. Oh. So say ene me man baako na from class Mohammed Awal na u feel say on success enfata on say enfata say obe contest elections na Ghana esan say oye cremonia. I think say just unfortunate again there be a drew as on minor obi be ni wa be ye Christiani ama Christians more preference than Muslims and obi so obey yeah, Oma a Muslims more preference than a because ye Omai and a ye church. So I know ye very, very important. So I expect to say Ubia or ye NP. Wada nipa de Briano. Usha baby honor, even though a Christian dominated constituency there. Nanso na mi ware shemu se na nke ni se okasa asem no. Ade ba kwa e wo se say minim sestika ne maame eye ohema ewo offensive area ho baby tika eko contesti MP ewo area ho eko MP elusui oko primaries ewo area ho eko lusui oko primary also ho lusui no Ben Abdallah Banda aoye kremoni eye sremi kra no e contesti the same offensive echo MP 12 years. But of this year, Christian-dominated constituency. Even ene, okoye no obi eni wa wetimi akọ more than twice ewo ho. Esan se ten bia do bo so mu yi nipa no because ono na yesu sudua ewo eye constituency ho. Nti ama to be ba within 4 years no more expected so obeye de Ben Abdallah Banda ye no man tinya. So we have enough evidence I actually say nipa ni personality what he stands for any bibia na again Osha ye researcher aba e Ghana hanyina Musa Dankwa ye ne de obia ye research bia ye bia no research bia ni why appointed to the fact that enkrofokra to aba because of obi faith Afrobarometer a report from 1999 up to ene. There is no single variable or be religious affiliation to Emmanuel winning elections.
But I think, sir, Musa Dankwa last research I think I saw something like that, about 1.8 is it percent or is it 18, but I'm not too sure of the figure. It does play some role, but the role could be described as infinitesimal.
So another make a choice. Research be anywhere a buyer say Ghana for Dudona say Christo for and answer Cremo for aba echo one side because Nipano a cremoni and answer ye Christoni. Because I can idea can I can DC intiminia vote zongo biagio. From 1992 up to NDC has never presented a Muslim. There is no NDC, there is no Muslim in any of the NDC tickets from 1992 except in 2004. Omudi Mohammed Mumuni Ebaye, Onosunya accident because some crofo will record on a year mills running mate in 2004. 1 year campaign because of your accident. That is the only time. But Muslim and Zongo communities have some history in Tiama Omoto Obama NDC. And that history is there. Obi a name Ghana yabako some area hono. Say NPP 18 enya more than 3 votes out of 10. NPP aya dia was say ebo NPP abaso. Enunti nama in 2016. Enya 24% of the Zongo votes. Obi a ka say NPP enya Zongo asa ya wini Zongo. Barosha Senipani 100 Zongo only 24. And no say ye to aba Zongo no, which is dominated by Muslims, or a NDC stronghold, and it has its own history about. And we now so because Obi a Christoni and also a Kremuni and Tuaba Mana, a dangerous for the building of this country. As I say, and you be an idea who say a friend of Baumia, or yeah, your friend saying, a Muslim. Ahmed Ibrahim, our MP for time. Ahmed Ibrahim, a Pentecost elder. He's not a Muslim, but we are represented in Crawford. So, the Udi religion attached Nipana, Ubayam from so, and American, but Matissa say, Onoano, Wababi Chrim, even doing Chremuno Anye, but Wabepacho, say, Asemna or Kaino, Onoa Enim say, Ankoye. Ancha yes and say, Enise NPA representing Nipa Debris, Ankramo Poka, a Kassan, again, Osha Ghana, a secular state dominated by Christians. But will be anywhere cancer Awal a Muslim munti. Yeah, me a man position see a sense position or qua Muslims on qua and or Christians on qua and or and no M1 MI we have intermarriages are ya kind of one even within the families. Me a card de and Kamiwari will be ana or no equa sorry I mean so before a year friend chromosome. Osha we a friend saying a Mamia Joyce Bawa Muntari. Ono a Christian, but Nikununi a Muslim. Again, Oko we a friend saying Betimul Idrisu. Ono a Christian. Nikuno Alaji Mahama Idrisu, a Muslim. But did anyone a Jina Omunina Quincy Omu ministers in this country? And answer Omoko elective position there, or we becase, a sense of make remove Pontian Tomau. There be anyone the example of Ashanti region, Hakra, offense to be or no Christica in Potama with 3 crown. Our core primary school Lucy and a Muslim ever contest a year NP. All right, we're in the 4th year.
Okay, well explained. Once would have to just say what call aqua patch or dear Yama a true entry dear every tree. Now, Bijini say a chop out of their battles of camp and also Yamasumuye. But currently, we understand, sir, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Asia 200 former MMDCs of the previous administration. Is that true?
Yes. Ushia Omo a Shiamono Crano Abbey or a Alisa Hotel. Now, you're recording 220 out of the 216, Omona Ebai.
220?
Yes.
And you are so convinced, sir, 220 no mobile, yeah, Honorable Kennedy or any a compre Jack Pond, so too, and in Safroma, one was so SOMPA FM.
Onona D can issue or more and then answer, and I say, and then after 4 days to me. Okay, day na NP no echo voluntarily. Echo a year Dr. Baumia Hose Omodo support no man no. That day na honorable Kennedy Japan Ishia and Peninfono and no more ebin komo. On Friday or see share 268 million. But the ye share 220 Alisa Hotel. Na Ishimono Aba Ama the chef of Mokuman reporters on the cultural even after the Shimono or more ever can say and yano creda say Omoko baby Umkushia Kennedy Japan because from Kennedy Japan Asia a year Brenner Champon a yano press or more Eddie endorsement a year BBA ebai again Osha MMDC and so ene Osha Obekasibia Omun Tuabanibi Esan say Osha a year your constitution now. So we are former MMDC Afrina, but on the 19th of July, now we are former a year Utimi Etuababi, but Omun Tuabani. Nenso Omu influence me a very, very great. As I say, Osha MMDC is now Omo Mobile and we should be a many more say we know Obiana or MMDC, but to contest parliamentary candidate a year one of the constituency. Osha Omudo Supa, especially the orphan constituencies. And Osha orphan constituencies are Ghana Hangina. Judwana a former MMDC, and a contest here of winning. again.
But at this year, share SOMPA 106.5 FM no. Buko Facebook wala, who pictures da you're not happy my why.
Yes. So na make say Osha Dudona yes at time this year so in 2017 na position we see the ma constituency secretary say the chairman na keka ho omo na ye album ni na it is can omo influence in their various constituencies are microphone very very influential influence to esan say omo into ye omo do na say oma endorse Dr. Baomia omo feel say on there omo say omo the statement fra eba
do saying na omo endorse Dr. Mahmoud Baomia.
So say no say in a room say nipa 220 you don't expect everyone to say yes, but when your majority no issue statement they all disagree with the statement
so where the majority is what? Because we want to have figures to that effect.
Yes, the can say the they address the press. I can say they have not endorsed Japan or Brian example any of the candidates. However, they will issue a statement because they went to Japan in a unit. They went to Brian in a unit, but Omasaya by Dr. Baumia in a unit. And then on the issue a statement. In the statement, on the direction. So on the direction amongst the MMDCs, will be a feel say on no more enyajina. The person can come out, but you could tell that. So almost say the statement because leadership. Sorry, they have a leadership, not
so Awal, I want to find out from you. Could it be that I don't know whichever promise you might have given them for them to go out there and issue a statement. The direction you believe you don't know, I believe you know the direction because it is going to go in your favor. Is that not true?
So the American said, Omo Dr. Baumia na ko akansi. Omoko ya nyina an winning elections.
Okay.
So say ye ka say obi esa nipa no ebe endorse Dr. Baumia. Odi endorse because they went together and lost together. It said they will be in China or can say Dr. Baumia a failure. Automatically what didn't attempt. Because on also on failure. He should also not be given the opportunity to go back again as parliamentary candidate in Abonteno. And that's very important.
All right, so let's leave the
67. The name more ebetua Dr. Baumia, Juma Dr. Baumia. So we see 50 abomudi, but we have almost all of them coming out. A different Tinian cohort, and then I can say, Omo cohort, no. I don't pray. That day in that meeting, they were not there.
Awal.
Yes, Minia.
Yen China will Congress. Yes, it's senior year, and they will who they.
And they who Charlie.
But the key takeaway from the conversation is that I hear the former MMDCs, I can say. They have not said anything on endorsing Honorable Kennedy Japan. Is that right?
Yes, that is right. There is a video to it. The video no proud to me Facebook page. It's on my Facebook page, Awal Mohammed.
All right, my
on my press conference, I addressed the press. They did not speak to me. They spoke to the press with the microphones over there.
All right.
Now, Nipanu Bisa almost said, "Makushia Ken," almost say, "Ah, Yakushia Ken." And of course, mind so there be obi any who was sorry for Gina.
Ejuma we there be patcho. Ejuma we there why?
Sana mo kan e ka video no.
Why Ejuma? Why Ejuma fancy? Why Ejuma fancy? Hey, Awal man that's for foreign country that was why.
Yes, me that's the family and Nyamisra.
Nyamisra ensure ora Awal Mohammed now say ye ne din komo no kasama ura baumia on this issue about bonting fan